Everyone laughed when he put a sock inside his car during the winter. Now they all do it. One of the most common problems in cold climates and rainy seasons is that the car's windows are fogged by moisture. This is why drivers almost always have to have a cloth in the car, so that they can dry the windows before driving. This cleaning of the cloths can be very stressful since you should always take time to start driving, because the windows are cleaned. Luckily, there is a video showing how to defrost crystals of the car without making much effort. The method that shows the video to defog car crystals begins by taking a pair of socks and some cat litter to perform the method. Once you have the materials, the person should take the sock and fill it with the cat litter. The sand used in the method is of the crystal type, which is more absorbent than the conventional sand. When the sock is sufficiently filled with sand, a knot is made. The sock should be covered with the other pair, so that the sand does not escape through the improvised sack. When the sock is ready with the sand, it is taken to the car and placed inside, specifically in a part near the window of the driver. The sand will absorb moisture, so the driver will no longer have to worry about defogging car windows with a piece of cloth. This ingenious invention serves for those drivers who do not have time to be cleaning the windows of the car. Now with the homemade invention, the person can go quiet to any place with the car. In addition that the materials used for the technique are easy to get and are not expensive, so you should not worry about spending a lot of money.